Okay, I did what I could before it's getting too hot. So I'm only gonna put this one on, and that's it for now. The other one is here already. The other one I'm gonna put it on later in the evening time. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's just hook it up. Come on. Okay. Wait, it's working. At night time, I'll see. When the night comes, I'll figure out how this thing works on sensor. I did lost the instructions, but I don't need them. I'll figure it out. Okay, now I need to rest. Okay, now I'm just gonna prepare myself for lunch. This is for lunch today. And then I go for a beach, to the beach. It's already 1 in the afternoon. I did what I wanted to do. Now I just need to clean out the bucket. And that's it. And then I'm going to the beach again. I decided to make this stop a little bit different than on this one. So on this one, as you can see, I put stones on. And I was like, think. But then in the end, I decided to just throw the whole bag on and see what happened. And this is what came out of it. Those stones that won't glue together, they're just gonna fall off, and I'm just gonna pick them up and use them another time, somewhere else. Okay. And I have also decided that, you see, over there it's done. This section, it's all that remains, and I'm gonna do it another time. I'm gonna bring myself 2 ladders, and I'm gonna use one to distribute. I already got tired today. To distribute my weight over the entire roof, because one ladder will go from one side to another, so I will be able to walk on this roof, and it will be easier to do. And also I'm gonna need to take this net off this section, so this is all I'm gonna do next time I come here. After all, in a few days I'm going home for just 3 days, then I come back, so I'll do this. I will risk 2 hours and do it. Otherwise, everything's done. And also this lamp, it's done. That's what's important. When the night comes, I'll test it, if it works the way it should. Okay, now I'm just putting the net back on, because when I was doing this, and there on the roof, and this over there, and there, I had to take it off. All this part. So now I'm putting it back on. Hopefully for the last time I'm putting it back on. Okay, now it's really time to go to the beach. wanted to show you more of this, but there is so much of jellyfish out there, it's hard to navigate through them. But at least I'm safe. That's what's important. My fingers actually are doing okay. I'll see you later. Time to go fishing. Alright. It's 8. Yeah. It's 8 in the afternoon. In evening, whatever. So it's time to go fishing.
Ko pa to neki zrastek? To ima neki zrastek gor na riti. To mu treba dol dati. Obrne se no.
Res je, kam je to?
To mu daj dol, ker to se manj te gor, ka ima.
Ma naj ima, kaj me briga.
Ma naj ti to dol.
Čekaj, tam si grem po klešče.
Dajmo tole dol rukaš.
Ne vem, kaj je to. To je prav nekaj presesano, kaj klopa, veš.
Kako me zdaj boli. Ampak bo nam še hvaležen.
Čakaj, neč, ne vem, veš kaj, ne vem, kaj to je.
A vi veste, kaj je to?
Ne.
Bomo zaprt zgrabla.
Tole je kar močno, veš. Klika trnk.
To ne moram prožnati. Wow. To ima na rep pretrjeno, lej.
Ali ima tole mladičke noter.
Wow, ej to. Ne vem. Čakaj, daj tale trnk. Pa naj gre po svoje.
Pa ne.
Ne, pust prsti.
Ja, brez rokov prijema.
Da bi je najračno kleščo je bom prijel.
Vidič pa točno vidi, kje je to, lej. Pust.
To ne spusti.
Je to, upadljivo. Spust. Nekaj ne spusti več.
Večer. To prav ti ne pusti, da prijaš, lej. A boš.
Ne, zdrsno mi je z strnka. Če ne bom odrezal, kaj če bom proč?
Ne moreš, ne.
Pust prsti proč, kaj te bo ščipenla.
To pač se ščipne. Ti je zgrabno se klep.
To če mi stiti več.
Ne, to je deformirano od zadnji, imamo deformirano, ti slede kar proč.
Veš, kaj hočem rešiti, pišem kolegi, veš, kaj točno ve, da ima tam, lej, kaj pulje, veš. Nekaj
Se bo
zagrabla sama.
sama, ti sam povlez zdaj. A, ti je uspel. To pa mislim, da je deformirano, to lahko probaš. Kaj boš probal? Nekaj, če je narobe, pa neš bo šla.
Pa naj gre. Na, dej, obrni se pa šibaj.
To bo deformirano. deformirano neki.
Bye bye.
To je pa res glup.
Se ne počuti varno, ali kaj?
Ne, prav misel si uno. What? Ne. Samo obrni, zdaj bo šla. Zdaj bo šla sem, zdaj jo obrni.
Šibaj.
To je res stupid.
Se hoče braniti, ali kaj? Ne, tja. Ja.
Tako ja.
Okay, now comes the most important rule about sea fishing. You probably already know what that is, but for just in case, if you don't know, I'll give you a link to it. The most important rule about sea fishing is take care of your fishing gear first when you come back from fishing. Then you can do whatever you want. This is one more reason why I bring fresh water from home in those bottles. So I can use it to wash my fishing rod. Okay, now let's go. It's time to sleep. Go fuck yourself. I really do need to clean up this trailer once soon. Okay. No luck this time. Again. But it doesn't matter. Tomorrow is one more evening for me to fish. So maybe I'll get lucky tomorrow. It would be nice. Okay, anyway. Today I did what I planned to do. I finished what I started yesterday. And I also went fishing. And well, I'll see if I'm gonna make 2 videos or put everything in one. I don't know, I'll see when I get back home and I'll start making videos. Okay. But it's summertime, so I don't do much. This year I'm only doing few minor stuff that cannot wait until the next winter. Otherwise, I never do anything over the summer. I just come here to enjoy and to fish. So, good night for now. I'm your Captain Frcho. If you're new around here, subscribe. I dare you to subscribe. Comment on just about anything you like. And I also hope you like this video. Okay. Captain Frcho is out. Okay, the roof is done. Finished. Finito. Okay, I didn't show you how I did it, but this morning when I got up, I just decided to just go for it. And I went up there and I did it. It was a very risky decision to do, but at least it's done. Okay. And of course, I see you in the next video. Captain Frcho is out.